the position we are hiring essentially is to manage the mechanical shop as well as the fleet at Mainroad Mid-Island, coordinating the equipment with other operating companies and throughout the Mid-Island operating company. We'd like somebody who's a certified Red Seal heavy-duty mechanic or commercial transport mechanic, somebody that's looking to move into more of a management role and less on the floor, but also having the knowledge of working as a heavy-duty mechanic. Somebody preferably with some fleet experience, somebody that can manage staff as well. So we would offer training for somebody that wants to take the initiative to take that next step into a management role. Mainroad offers various training courses to help people succeed in their career. Mainroad tries to create as many synergies as we can with our other operating companies. Sometimes we share equipment when required, as well as helping out other operating companies that Mainroad has on the island. Living on the island is definitely a fantastic place to be. I've lived on Vancouver Island my whole life. We enjoy a very mild climate in the wintertime, as well as a great mild climate in the summertime. So you can check out mainroad.ca and click on the Careers tab if you want to find more information on the upcoming careers at Mainroad.